Hey guys, welcome back to Super Data Ninja. Something that we really want to get right over here is to not just provide you with the best tool possible, but also to provide you with tips and techniques that you can use every day to take your recruitment or candidate sourcing game to the next level. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how to source software engineers from Stack Overflow by their reputation on the platform, as well as by the location in which they work. So let's get into it. First things first, make sure that you have Super Data Ninja open, because we're going to come back to use Super Data Ninja in a bit. And then what you want to do is you want to open a website called data.stackexchange.com. And when you're here, head over to Compose Query, and you'll see that you have a window here that you could enter in some SQL code into. Don't worry, I have put the code I'm about to use in the description of the video. You can simply copy paste that and make any changes to it that you'd like to. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and paste the SQL query into this box. You can see it here. I won't bore you with what all of this means. Pretty much what this is doing is it's going to extract the top 200 software engineers or developers by reputation on Stack Overflow from a region of your choice. So two places in this code that you could make some adjustments if you wanted to very easily is the number of candidates to return over here. Select top 200, we could make that 50. And the location over here. So make sure that you only change the text in between the percentage signs. So here's a real example from the other day. I was helping a Super Data Ninja user out looking for C# developers in Richmond, Virginia. So let's use that as an example here. We'll go Richmond, VA. And then once you've selected how many you'd like to return, as well as their location, next step is to select Run Query. And as soon as you do that, it's going to open up this little input box where you're going to put in your language of choice, right? Development language of choice. And in this example, they were looking for C# developers. Just make sure that you use small letters, not large letters here. For some reason, that throws it out. So if you're looking for C# developers, don't use a capitalized C. And then we'll run the query. And there you have it. So you have a list of the top 50 C# developers from Richmond, Virginia, in order of their reputation on Stack Overflow. So let's take a look here. So we can see that Donut, whoever Donut is the top C# developer in Richmond, Virginia by reputation on Stack Overflow. But now we don't know who Donut is. So let's take this to the next step, which is let's copy his username and head over to stackoverflow.com. Again, will be in the description, and you'll click on the search bar and hit enter, and then come across to this users link. And then what we'll do is we'll paste the username we got, and we'll see that that username comes up first here. So we'll see Donut in Richmond, Virginia. That's great. C# is mentioned. Fantastic. We know this is the right candidate. And we'll head into Donut's profile. Now, it's very difficult to try and decipher who Donut is, but that's where Super Data Ninja comes in. So Super Data Ninja doesn't only provide you details based on LinkedIn profiles, but many other social networks, communities online, such as Stack Overflow. So we have Donut's profile here. We simply go ahead and we copy that URL, and we come back over to Super Data Ninja, and we head over to single enrichment. Now when we're here, we paste it into the social URL section, and in this instance, I'd like to give Donut a call if I can, right? First want to find out who he is, what he's been doing. But if I'm impressed, I would like to give him a call. So let's go ahead and select mobile phone. And we find the candidate. That's great. And we can now see, now Donut has a name. Donut is Dan, which is fantastic. And we have a Gmail address here. We have a mobile phone here. So if we like Dan, we can definitely get in touch with him. But what's more important here is to find out where Dan is working, what he's been doing, what his job history looks like. And what's great is that all we had was a Stack Overflow profile to start. And now we can see his entire digital footprint. So fantastic. We have a LinkedIn profile that we can use. So I'll click through to Dan's LinkedIn profile. And I'm now able to see a little bit more about him, what he looks like, where he works, what his background is, his education, which is great because I now know that he has a very high reputation on Stack Overflow, which means he knows what he's talking about. He understands his world. He understands the C# language, the .NET framework, and he kind of falls right within what I'm looking for. So I'm now able to go back to Super Data Ninja and simply pick up the phone and give Dan a call and tell him about a fantastic new opportunity that I have for him at one of my clients. And that is your tutorial on how to find software engineers on Stack Overflow and then get in touch with them using the Super Data Ninja tool. If you liked this video, if it was helpful to you, let us know in the comment section on YouTube underneath the video. Please give us a like and a subscribe. It really helps us out. And stay tuned for more tips and techniques that will be shared in upcoming videos. Until next time.